So here we have the Seat Ateca on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle, first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge on the left-hand side, speedometer over on the right-hand side, along with the fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 36,997. You can change the information that's displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. As you can see, various different menus available to you, all of which are accessed with these buttons just here. On the left-hand side, we have our stereo controls. We've got our voice activation, and on the stalk just here, cruise control for the car. Into the center, the main touchscreen. So we're on the menu at the moment. As you can see, you do have physical buttons that you can use to get into menus, or you can use the touchscreen. When it comes to the radio in this car, we have FM and AM. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button, and you can see the number of ways you can listen to music, including Bluetooth audio. So once you paired up your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. On the subject of phones, this vehicle also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available as well. Below that, we've got firstly the stop and start. So that's now turned off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when this light shows. We have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the driver and passenger temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air distributed in. This button turns your air conditioning on. Same button will turn it off, or hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Any manual adjustment will override that and allow you to put it back on your own settings. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 USB inputs and an auxiliary input just there, as well as your 6-speed manual gearbox. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function and 2 cup holders for the car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you.